Hello guys, see me again in my channel, The Next English Teacher, and enjoy my video. Hello guys, in this time I will show you about socializing part 2, how to greet an acquaintance and how to reply to a greeting. The first is how to greet an acquaintance. You can use the phrases when you meet a friend or someone you know in the street. You can use the phrases like "Hello, Mr. Sins, how are you?" And then you can also use the phrases like "Good morning, how's life?" That's how to greet an acquaintance. And the next is how to reply to a greeting. You can reply it by "Oh, hello Andrew, very well." And maybe you can use "Pretty good, Mr. Fox, thanks." And practice it a lot to make it more perfect. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.